Copy trading is one of the easiest ways to actually make money from the forex market. And the reason is simple. You don't have to stress yourself going through the hassle we usual traders go through by doing market analytics, doing so many technical and then fundamental stuff before we can actually see the right way to trade the market. You don't do that with copy trading. All you basically need is simply having the right platform and then funding your account, and all you basically do is simply copy other profitable traders that is shown on your platform, and you're basically good to go. And the most important part of copy trading is making sure that what you are trading with the right platform. And in this video, I'll be recommending you 5 legit platforms that you can actually use to make money as a copy trader. Yes, you heard me right. Whether you are going there to let people copy your trades or you are going there to copy other profitable traders, you have no problem. So hello guys, when it comes to the best copy trading platforms, the first on our list is simply FXTM Invest. Now, FXTM is one of the most popular trading companies out there, mostly when it comes to some of the most international trading companies out there that are easy to use and everything. FXTM is one of the best, and they are quite very transparent as well. And according to that, they say you have over 750 instruments to trade globally. So if you are someone out there who is looking for one of the best copy trading platform, which is a platform where you can go copy other profitable traders and then make money from their trades that they actually take, you can actually use a platform like FXTM. Now, so guys, the second on our list is simply lightfinance.org. Now, you all know on this channel, Light Finance is my favorite trading platform that I personally use and I personally recommend. So if you are looking for a platform to actually copy trade, where I myself have copy traded from, and I actually did a video about their copy trading, which I posted on this channel with the result that I made from their copy trading. The trade that I made profit from and the one I did not make profit from, I actually showed it on this channel. So personally for me, Light Finance is the platform that I have used their copy trading like copy trader on their platform, and the result was actually really impressive. So if you are looking for a platform that you can actually copy people's trade and then make money, also know that you are going to lose some money as well, the Light Finance is one of the best platforms. And when it comes to their copy trading, unlike other platforms, you need a very huge amount of money to be able to copy traders on their platform. But with Light Finance, you don't need any huge amount of money. Your minimum deposit is $10, and you can basically use that to get into the market. However, some traders do set their copy trading limit to about maybe $200 or $500 before you can copy them. But at the end of the day, you will surely see someone who accepts the little amount you have to use to start your trading, because if you go to other prop firms, they don't do that, and that is one reason why I actually prefer Light Finance. So their copy trading is very impressive, it's very easy to use and straightforward. So guys, if you are looking for another great platform to actually use for copy trading, which is highly transparent and every single thing, then I would say you should use Light Finance, because there are no hidden fees. You get to see every detail of every single trade before you copy it, and then they also show you a real life analytics of these people's profit margin, how they've traded over the years, the past 3 months, the past 1 week, and every single detail you need to know about their track record is on the platform, so you get to see it before you copy anyone's trade. So in case you want to sign up for Light Finance, all you basically need to do is simply use the link that will be available in this video description, and I will also place it in the comment section as well, so do well to check it out and use that link and sign up to Light Finance. The minimum deposit is 10 cedis and is 10 US dollar, and then they work globally. So guys, that is it for our second platform when it comes to copy trading. So guys, the third platform for copy trading on my list is basically SNES. At a point, SNES is one of my favorite platforms that I was trading on. Everything is still okay with SNES. So if you are someone out there who is also looking for another great platform where you can actually go copy other profitable trade, then SNES is one of the best platforms out there as well. So they also work in a lot of countries, but then they are not much global as compared to platforms like Light Finance and then the rest. So maybe if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, all those other countries, SNES is quite cool as well. You can actually come over here and copy their profitable traders as well. So in case you want to sign up on SNES, all you basically need to do is simply come over to their website, hit on where it says register, and then you sign in. So guys, I'll be dropping link to some of these platforms. So I'll have a link to some of these platforms in the video description. However, I personally use Light Finance. So when you have any issue with any of this platform, I can only assist you with the issues you are having on Light Finance, because that is a platform I personally use. Nonetheless, SNES is also another great copy trading platform. So you can come over here and then read about their instructions and every information you need to know before you sign up. Now, when it comes over to SNES, in case you want to copy trades on SNES, you need a minimum of $500 before you can actually access that. Remember, I told you earlier on that some platforms have an account limit that you need before you can copy trade. So on SNES, you need at least $500 before you can even open a copy trading account. So in case you don't have up to that, then just go for a platform that will accept the little penny you have. So guys, the third platform on our list here for copy trading is basically SNES. So guys, the fourth platform on my list is actually Zulu Trade. And from the name, you all can believe that this is South African owned platform. The name Zulu already says that. So if you are looking for another platform that actually helps you copy in other profitable traders, and I think Zulu Trade is one of the best. And Zulu Trade is more known for their copy trading as compared to any other thing. Even when you come over to their website, it's just stated there, the social intelligence platform that helps you invest in a smart way. Go long or short, go Zulu. Zulu Trade brings copy trading to your fingertips. Copy the actions of experience. And so basically Zulu Trade is well known for copy trading more than any other things out there. Now, as usual, I'm very transparent on this channel. I have personally never used Zulu Trade before. Yes, I personally haven't used Zulu Trade before. But then they are also okay based on research that I've done and other information, because before I bring anything on here that I haven't tested myself personally, I do research, ask people using it, and also look through their review system, read other places and stuff before I actually recommend them. And so far, Zulu Trade seems to be one of the best out there as well. So you can also give a try to them. So mostly if you're in South Africa and you're looking for something that is from your hometown, then Zulu Trade is also a good option for you as well. You can see, you can come and read more information about them. I actually want to make this video short, so that's why I'm not going in depth into all these platforms and stuff. But nonetheless, Zulu Trade still happens to be one of the great platforms that I can actually use to copy other profitable traders and make money from it as well. So this is the fourth on our list. So guys, the final platform on our list is actually eToro. eToro is another great copy trading platform, and when you come over to this platform, it's not about forex pairs alone. It also involves things like stocks and other items. So eToro is another great copy trading platform. However, the reason why I place them at the last, I think they are less global as compared to the other copy trading platforms out there. However, eToro is well known, a well reputable platform that is known globally. Let me say, in a lot of countries that they operate, people actually like using them due to how transparent they are as well. So if you are looking for another great platform where you can also copy other profitable traders and get to make money from it, then eToro is one of the best that you can actually give a try to. So they also have a lot of features. However, they are kind of limited when it comes to deposit options, when it comes to some countries. In some countries, I believe that deposit options are very low, so you might not get a full access to it. Nonetheless, they are also very great for you to use as well. So guys, another platform on our list that you can actually give a try to when it comes to copy trading is actually eToro. But if you're in Africa, I'm not sure this would be a great option to you. So you can basically go for platforms like Light Finance, SNES, Zulu Trade, and those ones. So eToro might not be a great option for someone in Africa. Personally, I've tried using them before. It wasn't really something of I can actually go on with. So I didn't even continue with the account setup and so forth after my research about them and how they operate over here. So basically, if you live outside, maybe in Europe and other places, you might be interested in using it. However, I'll also go with my favorite on the list, which is Light Finance or SNES, Zulu Trade, or FXT. So guys, that's basically all I have for you on this list. So in case you want me to do a dedicated video showing you how you can use any of these platforms, then let me know down in the comment section and I'll do that for you as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.